Hello everyone, my name is Ray Roberts, and today we're going to talk about something that I am extremely compassionate about, and that's needs analysis, and how needs analysis can provide quality instruction to improve student achievement. So let's get started. Today we're going to tackle 4 objectives. I want us to be able to do 4 things. First, I want us to be able to observe a needs analysis in play. We're going to look at an actual needs analysis. And as we look, I want you to be able to make some observations about what you see during this needs analysis. So look at everything, the positioning of the interviewer, the student's body language, listen to the type of questions and responses. I also want us to consider how needs analysis can inform our future planning and instruction. And think about what type of interventions you may need as a result of a needs analysis. What modifications to the curriculum might need to be made. What resources you need to help you in your task to teach your students. And then finally, I wanted you to think about how you would actually conduct a needs analysis and using the model that we're about to watch. Use that kind of as a guide. What would you do differently? How would you record it? And think about, in these times where we're digital, does a needs analysis have to be a live affair? So before we actually look at the presentation or the needs analysis, I just want to answer the question of what a needs analysis is. And to answer this question, I want to just think about or reflect back on my favorite movie, one of my favorite movies anyway, which is Training Day with Denzel Washington and Ethan Hawke. And Denzel Washington character throughout the movie said, "It's not what you know, it's what you can prove." And I think that's a powerful statement as it relates to teaching and learning, because as teachers, we are scientists. Teaching is a science. So what we do in the classroom must be informed by data. Okay, it must be informed by data, analysis, and reflection. So that's what a needs analysis is. It's us getting to know our students so we can provide the best forms of instruction. And there's many, many different ways we can conduct needs analysis, and we'll talk about those later. Okay, we're going to use Socrative as I mentioned before, and here's the login. So let's observe the needs analysis in play. Hello. What is your name? Phoenix. Can you spell your name? Can you write your name down, Phoenix? Yeah. And what is the first letter of your name?
P.
P. Can you write a P?
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. How old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old. Can you show me 3 with your fingers?
Yeah.
Show me 3 with your fingers.
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3.
Good job. Good job. And do you know your ABCs?
Yeah.
All right, say your ABCs. Can you say them?
A.
What's next?
D.
Uh-huh.
B.
Uh-huh.
C.
Uh-huh.
W.
W. What's next?
X.
Uh-huh.
Y.
Uh-huh.
Z.
Is that your ABCs?
Yeah.
Is that all of them? Okay, so we just briefly looked at that segment of a needs analysis. What was your reflection? What was your observations based on what you just observed? We'll take a second and we will look at your answers on Socrative. Okay, and great responses to the different questions you had on Socrative. Thank you very much for those responses. Well, thank everyone for your time, and I hope you learned something about the benefits of conducting a needs analysis in order to provide quality instruction.